Hello G, Sat Shri Akal. I hope and I wish that you all are doing great and superb. And October month is going on. First week is almost going to be over. But today I'm going to do angel card reading for the month of October. जितने भी दिन October के रह गए हैं, so that higher beings, divine angels, a source of a higher source, the guidance messages थोड़े तक पहुंच सकन. So before I start, whosoever is watching this video or listening to this video is actually divinely guided for the answers. So please resonate in which aspect of your life you can apply this. Before I start, I would like to introduce you with my cards. First is Archangel Gabriel Oracle cards by Lord Virtue. And second is Angels of Abundance, again by Lord Virtue, Oracle cards. I'll be sharing a closer picture as well. So, ये वाली videos असी दो topics cover करांगे, which again is an instinct, inner instinct. One is a topic, any one relationship to related, maybe boyfriend, maybe girlfriend, maybe you are in a live-in relationship, husband, wife, your family, your kids, or maybe your friends, your best friends, your soul partners. So जेड़ा एक close वाला knit होता है, उन्ना तो related cousins, relatives, है ना? So उन्ना तो related, we are going to do angel card reading A. Any ifs and buts or anything, any situation or any guidance from the higher beings related to your family life, your close relationships. A. And second card, I would like के असी cover करेंगे abundance, prosperity, guidance related to the same. You know, maybe your work field or whatever you do if you're doing, working from home. So we'll start with the close knit lay messages from higher beings, from archangels. Okay. So as always, all the messages are beautiful and it's again a beautiful card. Stay true to yourself. So please resonate with this. It has a beautiful picture. I'll be sharing a closer picture of this also. So there's this one soul sitting in peace with hand outwards as his blessing, and the angel, archangel, divine light is actually guiding. Something like this, like a teacher. That stay true to yourself. Don't compromise or water down your ideas. Resonate करो किस aspects तुसी लगा सकते हैं, किस relationships लगा सकते हैं. Mother father दा हो सकता है, right partner दा हो सकता है, business partner दा हो सकता है, kids नाल हो सकता है, relatives, cousins, XYZ. So just resonate. Don't compromise or water down your ideas. So whatever ideas are coming up in your mind, sometimes एग्जाम्पल दूंगी, मन चाहता है कि चलो यार छड्डो लड़ाई झगड़े, फोन कर लेने हैं. So whatever idea is coming is actually your inner instinct. So listen to that. Don't water down. Water down ऐसे क्यों करते हैं? In ego, in attitude, not being connected to source, not being, in some higher energy. So don't do that. Listen to, trust and follow your inner voice. Listen करो, trust करो and follow your inner voice. मैं हर वेले जब वीडियो स्टार्ट कर दिया, I always say that I'm listening to my inner instinct. Why do I say that? Because that is actually a soul message, or you can say a higher source message. So, resonate with this. एंड हो सकता है बहुत सारे लोगों को, बिकॉज बस उस तो बाद क्वेरीज आती हैं कि आइडिया तो ये है दैट जस्ट टू कट द कॉर्ड एंड कट द कनेक्शन, और मे बी because बहुत कुछ हो गया, something like that, you know, some negative things. So that's okay. It's okay to cut the cords. It's okay to move on, but bless. Okay, so bless and cut the cord. That's okay. Either ways, किसी भी side करो, but stay true to yourself. What your inner voice is saying, be true to that. Listen to that. Don't get involved in 10 phone calls or endless people call करके gossiping and talking. Listen to your inner soul. So that's the message for your close knit from higher beings. And quickly I'll go into that reading for your work, your prosperity, abundance. What guidance do higher beings want that you should listen to and follow in your life, especially in this October 2020. Okay, very quick. Very quick. Wow. Okay, donations to think and charitable work. Such a beautiful message. Beautiful angel with so many flowers and birds, with this peace and calm on her face. Okay, before I start going into detail, I would like to say, जो भी तुम्हारी सैलरी है, कट है, ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा है, ओके है, you should always do charitable work. To think is donations are very, very important because money is energy. Okay? जिਵੇਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਨ, ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀ ਹੋਲੀ ਬੁక్స్ you must have read that 10% of whatever income you're getting per month you should donate. Okay? per month कह लो या वैसे ਤਾਂ monthly कर देना चाहिए so that वो बहुत ज़्यादा pile up ना होए. And do it with good intention, not because एक करांगे तो money हो आएगा. The intention is wrong. So make sure that your intention is right, that you are donating somewhere. And people who are listening to this message, because of this period and lockdown and curfew and many other things, बहुत सारे लोगों की jobs गई हैं, I think बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई हैं. But right now, whichever situation you are, just अपने दिमाग में ये पूछो कि पिछले कुछ टाइम तो या पिछले एक साल तो, एक महीने तो, have you donate, मतलब कुछ donate कितना 10% to some charitable work? If not, do it, because money is energy. जाएगी दोबारा आएगी. Okay, so continuing forward, give joyfully to the organizations and people who spiritually support and inspire you. किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जिथे तुसी ट्रस्ट करते हैं, यू नो दैट राइट जगह ते पैसा जा रहा है, पीपल जो स्पिरिचुअली सपोर्ट करते हैं एंड इंस्पायर करते हैं, एंड नो दैट योर जनरोसिटी विल बी रिटर्न टू यू मैनी फोल्ड इन मिरेकुलस वेज. दिस इज व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू. जब तुसी ये करोगे, मिरेकुलसली मिरेकल्स विल हैपन एंड दिस विल कम बैक टू यू इन मैनी फोल्ड्स. ओके, बिकॉज 10% कुछ भी नहीं होता. If we see the time, supplies, money or other resources you donate will ensure that your positive energy multiplies. ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਕੁਝ ਕਰੋਗੇ, you will feel on soul level, time, supply, phone calls, positive things, money, prosperity, abundance will start flowing to you automatically. And that would be a miracle. So yes, so this is a very, very important card. And I think ये वाले period बहुत सारे लोगों ने charity of course की है, but बहुत सारे लोग एक down वाली feelings चले गए हैं that we don't have what to do. Start giving something, maybe little. Okay, start with little, maybe some food to street dogs, animals, or maybe where you feel दिलों जिथों आ रहा है कि okay, I feel this person is right, I should do something here, so please do it. Okay, so that's it for today, and this is for October don't only listen but कहते ना action भी लेना जरूरी है, so do that and have a happy life, because purpose of life is only and only happiness. And if you have any personal questions or queries, you can always message me, DM me, and we can always fix an appointment, online appointment, because I'm not meeting anyone live. Let's be safe, and of course we'll schedule that and we'll go with the answers. And for pranic healing also, you can always take me. God bless you all.